This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on a Honda Odyssey. First, gather your new wiper blades. You'll typically need a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 22-inch blade for the passenger's side. Park your Odyssey on a level surface and turn off the ignition. It's a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on your windshield under the wiper arms to prevent any accidental damage during the process. This simple preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab, then slide the old blade straight down and off the J-hook arm. Be very careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Ensure they rest flat against the glass, ready for action. Finally, let's test your newly installed wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle, spray some washer fluid onto the windshield, and activate the wipers. Watch closely to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass completely without leaving any streaks or chattering. For best visibility and safety, it's a good practice to inspect your wiper blades regularly and consider replacing them every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.